Castlepoint.
And the closer we're getting, the bluer the sky. The scenery, the Wairarapa country is just beautiful. Like every part, look at this. Every part of it is different and just lovely. Really vast and rural and yeah, just lovely. So hopefully the weather just improves.
So I'm sure you would have seen online by now, we're actually getting married on Castlepoint Beach.
Yay!
Just me and Jordan, the celebrant and a photographer.
And the celebrant's husband as another witness.
Oh yeah, and we needed another witness, so the celebrant's husband is being there as well.
It's nice, and we're aiming for Friday, but there've been all parties involved have been very gracious and said they can give us a day either side because we decided to get married on the beach in the middle of winter. We think we might do it on Thursday now, mightn't we? Because it's just a little bit better.
Yeah, so hopefully it won't rain.
And there's no such thing as bad weather, just inappropriate clothing.
It's true. Yeah, a shame our family can't be here, but we decided to do this. It's been, what, 7 years engaged now, so...
Yeah, we decided if we can't have everyone, we're just not going to have anyone. And that's fine, and we have blue skies. No! And that's fine. I mean, the day's for us anyway, and everybody will be there in spirit. So we left Masterton. Again, we stayed at that amazing freedom camp. Thank you, Masterton. It's awesome. We went and spent another $1,200 or whatever there with a new drone, didn't we? So all because the freedom camp's there. We stayed, spent money, and today you ducked into J Car to get the rest of your bitty bits.
Yeah, so I'm doing bits on the LED lights. I'll show you what I'm up to. That's pretty cool. We're just going to have a look at the Freedom Camp. I think we're going to stay there, aren't we, for the next 3-4 nights. We'll see how we go.
Yeah, it looks really nice. It's got really nice reviews and it's really close to where we plan to have the ceremony. And there is a holiday park there, which we've been trying to call all day and can't get through.
We don't need the power or anything, all the facilities, so...
We prefer Freedom Camping anyway, don't we?
Yeah. It's meant to be a beautiful beach, and it's literally just like one road in, which takes like an hour from Castleton. Masterton.
My goodness. Oh my goodness, look at that. What is going on?
Hi guys, so I mentioned earlier that I was doing something with the lights. So at the moment we've got, I'll just turn on the lights. We've got 4 horrible of these.
I hate them.
LED ones. 4 going down the middle of the van. They're really, really bright.
They hurt my eyes.
They hurt Jordan's eyes. And you just have to switch them on all by that one switch. You can't switch them on and off individually. You have to have either the whole van lit up or not at all. So we were looking into getting some new lights with like a dimmer option on and ones that you can just like push individually. But then I took like one of these apart. They actually already come with a dimmer option. So I'll just show you what I've done. I've done two now. So I've just fitted this switch. So it's got an off option. It's got a dimmer one, and then the other way it's got the full one. So it's got three options. So you can actually just have it off. And the same with this one, you can just have that off and have the other two on if you wish. It's just a lot more customizable, and then yeah, you don't have to have the whole van lit up. And I think these Sprinters, whoever it is that makes them, they do them all the same with the same lights. Action Manufacturing makes them all. And yeah, they're just, it's kind of silly really. All I needed was 4 switches and then some of these spades and a little bit more wiring. Oh yeah, and this as well, a wire cutter and crimper. And yeah, I think the whole lot actually came to like $30. So, chips.
So we're getting married tomorrow now, not Friday. You see the van, and this is the beach. It's a bit windy today. Lighthouse. Oh, can't see my finger. Lagoon and Castle Rock. So this is where it's going to happen. And then round there, this is where the reef is. Round there is the main ocean beach. So we're just going to have a wander. Tom's going to get some droney footage. And yeah, so tomorrow, Thursday at 3 p.m.
We had quite a wander around the beaches and coves, checking out any alternative places for our wedding, more sheltered if the weather turned bad. We came across a couple of little coves already taken by seals, and we took a walk up to the Castlepoint lighthouse. Constructed in 1912 after too many shipwrecks along this rough coast, the lighthouse was lit for the first time on January the 12th, 1913, sending out triple flashes every 45 seconds that could be seen for 35 kilometres. The last keeper signed off at Castlepoint in 1988, and the lighthouse is now controlled by computer in Wellington.
So we're right up against the sand dunes.
Oh god. Just get into the back.
Just push it through, it's only sand, isn't it? There you go. We'll wedge them open for us. Maybe. show you this awesome campground we're at. So there's Matilda, there's a sand dune, which has came over into the car park. There's the car park. So this is where you can stay for 4 nights if you're in a self-contained vehicle. They're just normal parks, but if you're like us, you can wedge yourself into some sand. There's loos down there if you need them. There's bins. I think that's about it. And just look at this. What? Castle Rock, Seagull Rock, the lagoon, Castlepoint Reef, goes all the way around. Then over there is Castlepoint Lighthouse. Absolutely stunning. And that's where we're getting married tomorrow. Can you believe it? So yeah, beautiful spot. I think we're going to stay the whole 4 nights and just chill the chuff out. Tommy's just doing some drone footage, which we'll put in. Can't drone over there because scenic reserve. You can drone over that bit. So he's just using Daphne take 2.
Morning. It's a lovely calm day today. This is our view. It's our wedding day. We're getting married today. So weird, but yeah, really excited. And we've just moved over to give ourselves a bit more space on this side. Jordan's just making a cafetiere coffee.
Beautiful day.
And yeah, we went for a walk just up to the hill this morning. So calm. It's crazy. I'll show you the view.
Husband and husband. Jordan and Tom, I welcome you to share your first kiss as a married couple.